Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Military Video Tech. Chinese and Russian warships chased away Japan warships out of the Sea of Japan. Chinese and Russian warships linked up in the Sea of Japan Wednesday for the People's Liberation Army Northern Theater Command, led Chinese-Russian Northern Interaction 2023, reported the PLA Daily. The five-ship Chinese Surface Action Group, SAG, consists of destroyers CNS Guiyang, 119, and CNS Kikar, 121, frigates CNS Zhaozhuang, 542, and CNS Rizhao, 598, and fleet oiler CNS Taiyu, 889. The Russian Navy SAG consists of destroyers RFS Admiral Panteleev, 548, and RFS Admiral Tribets, 564, and corvettes RFS Gremyashi, 337, and RFS Hero of the Russian Federation Eldard Saidintopov, 339. Rear Admiral Valery Kazakov, commander of the Primorsky Flotilla of the Russian Navy Pacific Fleet, commands the Russian SAG and serves as deputy commander for the exercise. The PLA Daily reported that Kazakov and his staff boarded Kikar, which will serve as the command ship. Land-based aircraft from both countries will also participate. Japan tracked the PLA SAG as it sailed through the Tsushima Strait on Monday, along with the transit of a Dongdio-class surveillance ship the day before, officials said. On Sunday, surveillance ship Kyangsing 796 was sighted sailing northeast in an area 93 miles southwest of Tsushima. From Sunday to Monday, it sailed northeast through the Tsushima Strait and then sailed into the Sea of Japan. On Monday, the planned SAG had been sighted sailing northeast in an area 80 miles southwest of Tsushima, and the PLAN then sailed into the Sea of Japan. Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, Fast Attack Craft JS Otaka, PG-826, Minesweepers JS Yakushima, MSC 602, and JS Toyoshima, MSC 685, and a JNCDF-P-1 Maritime Patrol Aircraft, MPA, a Fleet Air Wing 1, based at JNCDF Kanoya Air Base on the main island of Kyushu, monitored the planned ships. On Tuesday, Japan's Defense Minister Yasukazu Hamada said Russia and China had been strengthening military cooperation in recent years with joint bomber flights and at-sea exercises. The Ministry of Defense and the Self-Defense Forces will continue to take a keen interest in the military developments of China and Russia in the vicinity of Japan, and will make every effort to collect and analyze information, and will take all possible measures in surveillance, Hamada said. At 8 p.m. Friday, Dongdio-class surveillance ship Yohangsing 798 was sighted sailing northwest in an area 93 miles southeast of Miyako Island and subsequently sailed northeast through the Miyako Strait to enter the East China Sea, according to a Tuesday JSO release. Minesweeper Toyoshima shadowed the PLAN ship and that Yohangsing had sailed east through the Oshumi Strait on June 28. On Tuesday, at 8 a.m., PLAN destroyer CNS Chinaman, 154, and frigate CNS Yangzhou, 578, were sighted sailing south in an area 130 kilometers northeast of Miyako Island and then sailed south through the Miyako Strait to enter the Pacific Ocean. A JMSDF-P3C Orion MPA from Fleet Air Wing 5, based at Naha Air Base, Okinawa, monitored the planned ships, according to a JSO release. The two PLAN ships were sighted sailing north at 4 a.m. Wednesday in an area 44 miles southwest of Yonaguni Island, which lies 67 miles east of Taiwan's east coast and is the westernmost Japanese inhabited island, according to a Wednesday JSO release. The planned ship sailed north in the waters between Yonaguni Island and Taiwan and subsequently sailed north in an area 80 kilometers west of Uotsuri Island, part of the disputed Senkaku Islands administered by Japan but claimed by China and Taiwan. The two land ships then sailed further north in the East China Sea. The JSO release stated that destroyer escorts JS Abukuma, DD-229, and a P-3C Orion MPA of Fleet Air Wing 5 shadowed the planned ships. The joint drills focus on ship-to-ship communications, maneuvering information and maritime search and rescue, according to Chinese reports. The visit follows a meeting in Beijing between China's defense minister and the head of Russia's navy, the first formal military talks between the friendly neighbors since a short-lived mutiny by the Russian mercenary group Wagner. China has reassured Russia of its continued support since the uprising. Minister of National Defense Li Shangfu told Russian Admiral Nikolai Yevmenov that China hoped for increased exchanges, joint exercises, and other forms of cooperation to help defense ties reach a new level, the Chinese Defense Ministry said. China operates the world's largest navy by number of hulls and vastly outstrips Russia's navy in both size and technical ability. The country's fleets have held a series of exercises and joint maneuvers since Russia's invasion of Ukraine last year, as have their air forces.